my gosh, you smoked him. Nice shot.
Thank you.
Good shot.
Alright, so right now we're shooting prairie dogs with the air rifle, the Benjamin Bulldog. Really fun gun, it's a 357. And it is going to drop prairie dogs. It's a big gun. We already shot one. He's dead. Now we're just waiting for one of these others. The one I just ranged is 28 yards.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Drops him.
Alright, we've switched positions now. I'm up. Got the Benjamin Bulldog. And I got a prairie dog in my sights. 357 caliber air rifle. What's awesome is these prairie dogs. We're shooting them. They're dropping and then they're coming right back out. The other ones have no idea. That's what's sweet about shooting an air rifle. Besides getting rid of pests. Alright, there's one right here coming. Good shot. Got him.
It's fun, isn't it?
Prairie dog down. Awesome. What's that? That one, and you can hear the difference on the gun. Got him with the 25 caliber. This is the Benjamin Marauder. Got him with the Bulldog. Switched up, ran out of ammo, so I switched up to the Marauder. Just dropped another prairie dog. Oh! Nice shot. That was a nice shooting.
Thank you. I hit him right in the bean.
Right in the
I
melon.
popped his melon.
With the Benjamin Marauder.
25 cal.
Pretty awesome out here with my son Trent. We had the Benjamin Bulldog in 357 and the Benjamin Marauder in what?
25 caliber.
25 caliber. Had a blast shooting prairie dogs. They're destroying this pasture. This was a beautiful grassy pasture. Big, huge mounds all over the place. Easy for our cattle or our horses to get in here and break a leg. These little rodents are pests and we're trying to get rid of them. Historically, they haven't been up in this area, in this pasture, but they've moved into it and we're trying to get them moved out. So, pretty fun way to do it, huh?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Good shooting.